Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of some of the rarest animals on our planet that are critically endangered. From the dense jungles of Southeast Asia to the remote islands of the Pacific, we'll meet creatures that are about to disappear forever. Join me on this journey as we shine a light on these magnificent animals and discover what's being done to protect them. Our first encounter takes us to the Indonesian island of Java, home to the critically endangered Javan rhinoceros. Once found all over Southeast Asia, these majestic creatures are now almost gone because they've lost their homes and people hunt them illegally. It is here, in this last safe place, that a small group of Javan rhinos struggles to survive. People are working hard to protect the land where they live and stop others from hunting them illegally, giving hope for the future of this iconic species. Our journey takes us north now to the faraway and icy forests of the Russian Far East, home to the hard-to-find Amur leopard. This magnificent cat, with its thick, pale coat that blends in perfectly with the snow, is a master of hiding and survival. Once more common, there are very few left because they've lost their homes, people hunt them illegally, and they have problems with humans. The Amur leopard, like a ghost, watches from the shadows. Thankfully, people are working hard to protect their homes, stop others from hunting them, and help them have babies to make sure they don't disappear. We travel now to the dense rainforests of Sumatra, home to the smallest tiger subspecies, the Sunda Island tiger. These majestic predators, with their distinctive stripes and powerful presence, are the guardians of their jungle realm. Despite their strength, these tigers might not be around much longer because they're losing their homes, people hunt them illegally, and they clash with humans. With fewer than 600 individuals remaining, the fate of the Sunda Island tiger is uncertain. But there is hope. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect their remaining habitat and engage local communities in conservation efforts. Our quest for rare creatures leads us now to the dense, misty forests of the Annamite Range, which is on the border of Vietnam and Laos. Here, we search for the saola, an animal so hard to find it's often called the Asian unicorn. This is the saola, a creature so rarely seen that it seems almost unreal. Discovered only in 1992, the saola is already critically endangered, threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Nobody knows exactly how many saola are left, but we think there are only a few dozen. Our journey takes us now from the mountains to the sea, to the warm waters of the Gulf of California, home to the critically endangered vaquita. Beneath the surface, a small, shy porpoise, the vaquita, struggles to survive. These small creatures, with their distinctive dark markings around their eyes and lips, are the world's smallest cetaceans. Sadly, they are also the most endangered marine mammal, with fewer than 20 individuals remaining. The situation for the vaquita is really bad. We need to act fast to protect these gentle creatures and make sure they're around for future generations. Our search for the world's rarest creatures takes us to Hainan Island, China, home to the critically endangered Hainan gibbon. These graceful primates, with their long limbs and ability to move like acrobats, were once a common sight in the island's forests. They've lost their homes, people hunt them, and they're captured to be pets. All of this means there are very few left, with only about 30 individuals still alive. The haunting calls of gibbons once echoed through these trees, but now a scary silence covers the land. Our journey now takes us back to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, to the islands of Sumatra and Borneo, home to the smallest and oldest of all living rhinoceroses, the Sumatran rhinoceros. Covered in bristly hair and possessing 2 horns, these solitary creatures are often referred to as hairy rhinoceros. The Sumatran rhinoceros, once found everywhere, now faces a very uncertain future. With fewer than 80 individuals remaining in the wild, they are critically endangered, threatened by habitat loss and poaching. Every little bit helps in saving these magnificent creatures. Our final stop takes us to the islands of New Zealand, where we encounter a remarkable bird, the kakapo. This large, flightless parrot, with its moss-green feathers and face that looks like an owl, is a truly strange part of the natural world. Once found everywhere, the kakapo was almost wiped out by animals that came from other places, and the loss of its home. By the late 20th century, fewer than 50 individuals remained, making them one of the world's rarest birds. Conservation efforts have since helped their numbers slowly recover. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.